Welcome back. So I wanted to talk to you today about an item that was found in the leaked information regarding some of the upcoming patches. And I also want to give you some news about what I am currently focused on, what I'm up to in the game. Before that, thanks again for all of the support. Please like and subscribe if these videos are helping you. It's helped my channel grow a lot, so thanks again. So first and foremost, let's cover the most recent event. If you log in starting today, for the next 6 days, you'll have double rewards for all of the materials, the forgery challenges, and for the simulation challenges as well. So it's a pretty good time to stock up on shell credits or resonance XP if you need that. Alright, so let's get to the item. It's called the Echo Frequency Chip. It says it can't be used to optimize the performance of echoes, but it can still pick out complete frequencies with similar effects. So that could mean a number of different things. It could either be an item that allows us to reroll substats, like these pesky defense stats. It could also allow us to reroll main stats on some echoes. It might even allow us, the last part says it helps us pick complete frequencies with similar effects. That does sound to me like it's a main stat reroller. That being said, it could also mean that, the whole similar effects part, maybe you can copy some substats over to another echo, or maybe you can copy some main stats, meaning, for example, if you've got a 3-cost echo that buffs electro damage, let's say, maybe that means that you can take that main stat of electro damage bonus and apply it to the other 3-cost echoes you have of the same type. So that could be really good as well. It would save us a lot of farming for those annoying 3 costs. It could also mean that obviously you could take like a crit rate main stat like the one you see here on this Impermanence Heron and apply that to other Impermanence Heron echoes you have, or a crit rate main stat on the Bellborn that you have. And that sounds great to me because that is pretty much exactly what I'm working on right now. So as all of you know, pretty much I am a main Calcaro player, and so I'm trying to work on my Yinlin, Calcaro, and XYZ support team. So right now I'm using Genshin, and what I'm trying to do is get a Moonlit Cloud set on my Yinlin and a Rejuvenating Glow set on my support player, in this case Genshin, and I am trying to just stack buffs on my Calcaro to just clear everything with that one character. Right now, as you can see here, my stats aren't really perfect on either set. My Jensen's running this just to proc, and I'm running it with an Originite Type 4 Gauntlet just to proc the healing. And so I'm just trying to get better echoes for both of those characters, for both Yinlin and Genshin, so they can actually start doing a little bit of damage. Ideally, I would have much better substats on these things, but anyways, for Genshin I'm kind of maxing energy regen to try to get the ult up as much as possible for grouping in tower, and for Yinlin I just need better echoes in general. So something like this item, this Echo Frequency Chip item, could really help me get these stats up. As you can see, they're terrible, but anyways, so once I have that and I can get a complete perfect Moonlit Cloud set on Yinlin and a complete perfect Rejuvenating Glow set on my support, my Calcaro will be able to clear pretty much anything. And so that's why I have been spending most of my time right here. And now, if this item, upcoming item, is real, I'm going to be saving all of these echoes in my backpack so that when the item comes out, I can see, depending on what it does, either reroll main stats, make sure I get crit rate on every single one of them, or whatever I need, or reroll substats on a good crit rate one that I rolled and I got HP and defense, which happens way too often, unfortunately, and then go from there and just basically maximize my build. Now you'll see in this clip here, I'm fighting the boss. You're going to see my burst is already pretty good on the Calcaro ult, even with a really terrible build right now on my supports, but I'm still critting for 57 on that initial burst, so it's pretty nice. Let's collect this guy. Hopefully we got a crit rate echo right there. And we got defense, classic. So this also helps solve some of the bottlenecking issues on the premium sealed tubes. Obviously, if you don't need to upgrade as many different echoes, then presumably you don't need as many premium sealed tubes. So problem solved. So thanks again, I hope this helps, and I really hope this item is real. Thanks for the support, and see you in the next one.